Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. We're diving into a vital topic, comprehensive tobacco control. This presentation will explore the global public health challenge posed by tobacco use, taking a closer look at its epidemiology, the far-reaching impacts, current policies, the hurdles we face, and the innovative strategies being developed to reduce harm worldwide. It's an important conversation, and I'm excited to share insights that can help us move toward a healthier future for all. Tobacco use remains the leading cause of preventable death across the globe, a fact that highlights just how critical this issue is. Each year, tobacco is responsible for more than 8 million deaths, which is a staggering number when you consider that many of these deaths could be avoided. This enormous impact makes tobacco control not just a priority, but an essential part of improving public health worldwide. Efforts to reduce tobacco use are central to saving lives and cutting down the rates of diseases directly linked to smoking, helping to create healthier communities everywhere. Globally, around 1.3 billion people are smokers, highlighting the massive scale of tobacco use worldwide. However, tobacco use is not evenly distributed. It is significantly more common in low and middle-income countries. This disparity is important because it influences how we approach smoking cessation efforts. By understanding who is using tobacco and where, we can design targeted interventions that address the specific needs of these populations. Epidemiological data plays a crucial role here, as it helps policymakers and health organizations allocate resources effectively and develop strategies that can truly make a difference in reducing smoking rates across diverse communities. Tobacco use has a profound impact on health, starting with lung cancer, which is one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths worldwide. Another major consequence is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, a progressive lung disease that severely affects breathing over time. Beyond the lungs, tobacco also contributes to cardiovascular diseases and stroke, both of which are major causes of illness and death globally. The effects extend to pregnancy as well, increasing the risk of complications that can harm both the mother and the baby. When we look at all these conditions together, it's clear that tobacco use leads to high rates of sickness and death, underscoring the urgent importance of effective tobacco control measures. The economic and social burden of tobacco is staggering, with global costs from tobacco-related diseases surpassing $1 trillion each year. This enormous expense places a heavy strain on healthcare systems worldwide, as resources are diverted to treat preventable illnesses caused by tobacco use. Beyond healthcare, tobacco also impacts productivity by reducing workforce participation due to illness and premature death. The social consequences are equally significant, contributing to greater inequality and diminishing the overall well-being of communities. Altogether, these challenges pose serious obstacles to achieving sustainable development and improving social welfare on a global scale. Now, let's look at some key tobacco control policies and interventions. First, the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, which is a global treaty aimed at reducing tobacco use worldwide. It's a vital international agreement that sets the basis for many national policies. Next, increasing taxes on tobacco products is a proven strategy to make tobacco less affordable, which helps lower consumption rates. Then, we have smoke-free laws. Enforcing these laws protects people from the harmful effects of secondhand smoke by creating smoke-free environments in public places. Another important measure is banning tobacco advertising, promotion, and sponsorship. This reduces the appeal of tobacco products, especially among young people. Finally, providing cessation support services like counseling and medications plays a crucial role in helping smokers quit. Together, these interventions form a comprehensive approach to tobacco control. One major challenge we face in tobacco control efforts is the interference and lobbying by the tobacco industry. These companies often work to weaken policies that could reduce tobacco use, making it harder to implement effective regulations. Another issue is the inadequate enforcement of existing tobacco laws. Even when good laws are in place, without proper enforcement and compliance, their impact is limited. Additionally, cultural acceptance and social norms play a big role. In some communities, smoking is normalized, which makes changing behavior more difficult. The rise of new products like e-cigarettes adds another layer of complexity, as these products create new regulatory and health challenges that we must address. Ultimately, overcoming these obstacles requires sustained political commitment and innovative strategies to make lasting progress in tobacco control. Looking ahead, one of the key directions is the development and expansion of digital cessation tools. These include mobile apps and online support platforms designed to make quitting more accessible and personalized. Another important approach is harm reduction, which focuses on providing less harmful alternatives for smokers who find it difficult to quit completely, thereby reducing overall health risks. Strengthening regulatory frameworks is also crucial, especially to address new tobacco products and innovative nicotine delivery systems that continue to emerge. Together, these innovations aim to improve both the reach and effectiveness of tobacco control efforts, adapting to the evolving challenges in this field. As we conclude, it's important to recognize that strengthening comprehensive tobacco control measures is crucial for saving millions of lives around the world. Implementing and enforcing stronger policies not only helps reduce the health disparities caused by tobacco use, but also fosters healthier communities and supports sustainable development globally. Achieving this requires a collective commitment from governments, health organizations, and civil society alike to prioritize tobacco control as a key public health goal. Together, we can make a lasting impact.